Our prompt this week is cyanotype, and I want to show you how you can do this at home. You'll need a kit. Use this one from Jacquard, which has the chemicals in 2 bottles, and you'll need to mix equal parts of A and B and use these to coat your fabric or paper. The fabric needs to be entirely natural fibres to work best, and you also need to do that in a relatively dark space, but not pitch black. I like to use a foam brush to just coat my fabric, and then you can put anything down that will block out the light. So I'm using a leaf, but you could use a piece of fabric or a feather, a stencil that you've made out of paper. And then I'm using a nail lamp to just expose that to UV light for about 4 minutes. When you've done that, remove your stencil and then submerge your paper or your fabric into water. And you want to keep rinsing the water, replacing it with clean water. And you'll know when it's completely clear that you've rinsed all of the chemicals out of the fabric. And you can see that where the stencil was, it stays the colour of the fabric, and the rest goes a kind of dark blue colour. This one was slightly ruined by getting a wet kind of edge on my fabric, so it contaminated it, and I just added some stitch detail to the end. Anyway, have fun with cyanotype.